Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Named entity recognition, (NA), is a natural language processing (NLP) task that involves identifying and classifying entities, such as persons, organizations, locations, etc., in text. In this tutorial, we will use the spaCy library for Python to perform named entity recognition. If you haven't installed spaCy yet, you can install it using the following command. Next, download the spaCy model for NA. For this tutorial, we'll use the English language model n_core_web_sm. Now, let's import spaCy and load the English language model. Once the model is loaded, you can use it to process text and extract named entities. Let's create a simple example. In this example, ent.text represents the actual named entity text, and ent.label_ represents the entity's label or type, example org for organization, person for a person, etc. spaCy allows you to customize and fine-tune the NA model if needed. However, this is an advanced topic and goes beyond the scope of this basic tutorial. You've now learned how to perform named entity recognition in Python using spaCy. Feel free to experiment with different texts and explore the various named entity labels provided by spaCy. This tutorial provides a solid foundation for incorporating NA into your NLP projects using spaCy. ChatGPT.